I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case. I go to court for your case. I climb the bridge for your case. Enter
circumstances, but you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is a tutorial on how to sew in weave. This video is actually sponsored by Xpression. They sent me a huge package. The package is so huge through DHL and it arrived Abuja within 2 working days. I think, I'm not sure, either 2 or 1 working day. I couldn't open the package myself alone because it's very big, so I had to do that with one of my stylists. We used scissors to cut off all the tapes from the bag. So the first item from the bag is this beautiful hair, and it's their latest product. It's called Butter Wave. They sent me about 5 packs of it, all in color 1B/color 27. They also sent me 2 wall calendars and also 2 table calendars showing different styles of their newest product. They sent me a diary. I'm using the diary here and I really love the diary. They also sent me 5 packs of Afro coil, which came in color 1/27, and the coil is really beautiful. The hair is really beautiful. I love it. So I'm going to be using the hair for today's tutorial. They sent me 2 aprons, Xpression aprons. They also sent me 2 t-shirts, 1 white and 1 green. I'm putting on the green t-shirt. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Yeah. So here is the t-shirt. So yeah, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to Xpression for sponsoring this video, and also thank you to you guys for your love, support and encouragement. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like the end result, and share to friends and family. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So we already prep our hair, washing with shampoo and conditioner and moisturizing with hair cream. As you can see, her hair is relaxed. For her hair, we use the tail comb to section the hair into 2, parting in the middle. Tried as much as possible to locate the middle or the center parting of her head. Cornrow, I'm just starting from the beginning of her head because I want the style to be all laid down with gel. That's the front part, and then making the first part or line of the cornrow a bit big because I want it to be like a brush, and then apply gel on that part. I made a straight line from the middle down to the back. A little extension to cornrow her hair from the middle going down to the back. The reason why the front part of the cornrow is a bit big is because I do not want to braid her hairlines or the front part of her head, so that I can use gel to lay it down flat and if possible create baby hairs with it. Just continue cornrolling, following the middle part, and for the tips of her hair, I'm just connecting the ends of the cornrow to each other. This is the final look after cornrolling the hair. Finish up by sewing the last braid with needle and thread so that they won't stick out while sewing or even while brushing the hair. That's after cornrolling the other side of the head, following the same pattern. This is the hair I'm using, and it's called Afro coil from Xpression product. It's their newest product and it's so lovely. It's in color 1B/27. You can get this product in any color of your choice. I think it's lightweight and very affordable. We'll leave all the details in the description box below, and to also tell you guys that Xpression have a YouTube channel. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box below. The texture feels natural and it does not feel like synthetic at all, and it's the most natural Afro coil I've seen. For sewing, I'm starting right from the back of her head, which is the normal usual way to sew in weave on, and I'm sewing it from left to right side of her head. I'm sewing the hair right under the cornrows so that when she flips or try to pack it into like a ponytail or so, it will have a smooth look. So we just continue sewing from right to left or from left to right, whichever way you are seeing it. As I'm sewing, I'm doubling or I'm using double wefts because the wefts are not like human hair, which is very thick, and I also want the hair to look full at the end of the day. As I'm sewing, I'm not cutting the wefts, I'm doing the turnover method. Once I reach the end part that is close to the ears, I will just flip it over to the next line and continue sewing. Sewing the hair in a U shape because of the closing and the front part of the hair. Continue sewing from ear to ear, doing the turnover method and sewing in a U shape, bringing it to the front part closely, and then also doing the turnover method. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. If you notice, it's giving this pronounced U shape. So yeah, we'll just continue doing the turnover method and stitching it as I go until I get very close to each other where there is no more space to be sewed on. Real lost, we'll get real lost again. Now that I'm done stitching, I'm just applying this gel in front of her head, not using any edge control because she actually wants it. She wants the front to remain laid for a longer period of time. So I'm applying the gel with this brush. And after applying, I'm just using this medium-sized comb to comb out the coils so that it will give this natural afro look. Is this afro coil not gorgeous? Just take a look at how natural it looks, and you can style this hair in any natural style of your choice. It's very affordable. So yeah, here is the final look. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment if you have any question, or even if you like this style. Share to friends and family. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment. Bem bem, ijelebe. Bem bem, ijelebe. Bem bem, ijelebe.
J-Sips on the.
I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case. I go to court.